Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to set up DDNS on Wi-Fi router free with Noip. Let's go start. Open a web browser on your connected computer and go to 192.168.0.1. Then log into the menu option with the administrator ID and password. Click on Login. Click on Advanced in the top right corner. Then click on Dynamic DNS. Make sure the service provider type is set to Noip on the menu option. Then click on Register Now. Then click on Sign Up in the top right corner. Fill out the form with your email address, a desired username, and a password. Then click on Free Sign Up. Check the inbox of the email address you used to sign up. Open the confirmation email from Noip and click the activation link to confirm and activate your account. I choose Personal and click on Continue. Scroll down and select Automatic Manage DNS. Click Continue. Select Free Dynamic DNS and click on Go to My Account. Once logged in to your new account dashboard, find the section to add or create a hostname. Enter a custom hostname, such as yourname.ddns.net. Then click on Create. Then click on Next. Then update your description. Then click on Generate DDNS key. This is your username. Copy the user ID. You can go to the router's web management page to configure dynamic DNS. Paste here. Again, copy password or type here in your Noip password. And again, copy the domain name from the Noip web provided. Then paste here. Click on Enabled One IP binding. Then click Login and Save. This operation is successfully. Go back Noip website and click on Done. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.